My name is Richard from Africa. This is Roberto Nana.
Hi.
We are the guys that did the voice control shower. I did the control part, which you basically see here, and Roberto was the one that did the voice part. I'll let you go first with the voice.
The voice recognition chip that we used is the HM 2007. It can recognize up to 40 words, and it has to be trained first, but once it's trained, it is speaker independent, so you have to train it once. For better accuracy, what you can do is you can train, say, 5 words that are the exact same word, just said by different people. The way it recognizes a word, it prompts the user to say something by lighting up an LED, and it returns a number corresponding to the word it was recognized. It needs external memory, it needs an SRAM, a memory chip, and we have one from Texas Instrument that it has the circuitry, the internal circuitry is designed so that it can last for 10 years. The memory is kept in there for 10 years. It's non-volatile RAM.
Okay. The control side is basically, we have 2 relays to control the 2 solenoids that I have here, which are, we actually use automatic valves, automatic irrigation valves. And then we have this guy controlled by the micro, which is our mixing actuator. What this does is right now it stands at 0. It actually has only cold water pumping through. As this thing increases, it starts to mix the cold water and hot water together until it gets to full 90 degrees, which is just strictly hot water. The way our system works is that we actually have 3 thermistors. What they're for is they actually monitor the temperature that's actually flowing through there, so they make sure you always have whatever degree temperature you're looking for, such as like 8 degrees. When we first turn this on, it'll go through the top solenoid, right? So that it's able to flow into the tub faucet. So it's basically doing what you normally do is when you're about to turn on the shower, you usually test the water. Well, this is what's doing the same. And then it would actually, once it finds it's actually at the temperature you want, it'll actually switch to the shower guide and turn that on and give you a visual aid to say, look, your shower is ready and away you can go. If the user decides, once it's past that part, if the user decides to increase the heat, that temperature would say shower hot, and this guy would go, it would give more voltage to go even further. Shower cold would decrease it, and shower stop would, turn it off.
Currently, we have 5 commands: on, stop, hotter, colder, and shower. Shower is a master command that has to be set before any other command can.
Has to run through. So this guy here should turn on and do its regular deal, where this guy will turn on first, and then he'll turn on after, and that's supposed to be the monitoring feedback loop. So I'll turn on now.
Okay, so we're gonna let her go again.
So it's about 20 seconds delay because this motor takes a while for it to actually get to where you want it to be. And then you'll actually see the tub faucet actually start to drain, and then you'll actually see the shower come out as well after. So as you can see, it's on now, and now you can actually control the temperature just by 1 degree at a time. It should be about 40 degrees, so it should get a little warmer in there. The motor moves a bit more. And then I can actually decrease it by hitting 3. It should be about 34 degrees once it settles down. And then if I want to turn it off, I can just hit stop. It'll drain and then stop completely. Now what's nice about our system is that actually if the power's off, it'll shut everything off and then it resets the code so that you actually have to tell it to turn on again. I mean, I can show you it real quick. Do that 20-second delay again.
No, but it's a lot more impressive when
Turn it on?
Yeah. And so now if the power goes out, right, everything turns off completely.
And turn it back on
And then
again?
if you turn the power back on,
Yeah.
nothing's on again. So it has to resets the whole system again. So we try to make sure it was safe.